Alright, we're making salad for lunch. Tomato, onion, cucumber, parsley, and ginger with lemon, salt and pepper. Alright, let's do it. Okay, that's it. Gonna add the parsley on top. Yeah. Okay. Dinner ay ano ko na to. After this ay preparation na natin. Masarap pag malamig. Okay. Let's add a bit of black pepper. Yeah. And some salt. Okay, that's enough. And of course, the lemon. Yeah. Oops, tulog pa. Okay na yung kalahating lemon.